How to judge my ad creative is performing well or not? What metrics need to assuming sales are low and not up to the cost spending? Okay. So it's very similar to the last question. The only difference over here, what you're saying is whether you are getting those sales or not, or conversions or not. Then what you want to do is to look at your secondary conversion. So there are two types of conversions in Google Ads. One is the primary and one is the secondary. The primary conversion is things like somebody makes a purchase, downloads a PDF, signs up to your webinar, makes a phone call, or any other direct call to action where they become a lead or a customer, right? The secondary conversions are a little bit different to the primary, and that will give you whether your ads or your audiences or your targeting is working or not. So what you want to do is set up these micro conversions for time on site. That is going to show you how engaged a visitor on your website is or not. If they stay on just for 5 seconds and bounce off, you know they don't like what they see, or they're not the right person who you targeted. If they scroll to the bottom of the page, you know that they are consuming your content. If they click a video button and watch the video, you know that they are interested in your content. Another call to action or secondary conversion could be time on site or the number of pages they visited on your website. So these micro conversions or the secondary conversions will lead to that main or the primary conversion. Because if I'm not interested in your product or service, then I'm not likely to convert. But if I spend more time, get engaged with your content, consume it, watch it, view it, like it, share it, and click any other buttons, or live chat is also another one, which will tell us whether how many people come on your website and click on the live chat to inquire about a product or service. So this is what I would track, if assuming that if you're not getting any conversions. So you want more of these secondary conversions, which will then lead up to that main conversion.